So we got a leak between this building and this building over here at our facility at LeakTronics. It's just ironic that we actually have a leak in the parking lot. We actually saw water coming up out of here the other day. We have it all shut down. We're going to take a compressor. We're going to inject air and water. We're going to listen. We're going to listen to the whole thing, make sure we're not hearing anything, but make sure we're hearing right over the area. We're going to cut it. We're going to get over the leak. Check it out.
So what we're going to do is we're going to shut the water off to the building, and we're going to back inject air and water. Once we do that, we're going to get right over the spot and check out the boil right here. That's the actual sound of the leak. We're going to mark our location. Once we mark it, we're going to cut it up. Get it nice and cut because, again, this is asphalt. We have no concrete underneath here, so we just kind of just make the cut to get it clean. Dig it up. Once we put it back under pressure with air and water, you can see where it's actually leaking. The leak at the 45 is the major leak. We hit it going in with our jackhammer, so that's the second leak. So we're going to cut it. We're going to install a plumber's loop on it, plumb it all back up together again, backfill it, bury it, re-pour it, and do what we have to do. Learn more about our LeakTronics training by visiting LeakTronics.com or call 818-436-2953 for more information.